what's up? My name's Matt. This is Icarryusa, and today we are talking about the Viridian Green Dot for the Bodyguard 2.0. Before we get into the Green Dot, I want to say thank you to everybody for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I read every single comment. I think they're funny. I think they're awesome. Keep them coming because I love it. Also, I want to mention, make sure you check out Attorneys on Retainer. If you're carrying a gun every day, you want to make sure you have some kind of protection on your side. Okay, if you're involved in some kind of self-defense situation, you're going to be on your own representing yourself. So at least have somebody that can help you out with that. Because I'm not a lawyer. I'm sure most of the people out there are not lawyers. It's very tricky to navigate that process. Attorneys on Retainer will do it for you. It's roughly 35 bucks a month. It's well worth the investment to have that extra protection. All right. Use discount code ICarry25 and you save yourself 25 bucks a year. Let's get into it. All right. So Viridian sent this optic to us to try out. It doesn't matter if they sent it to me or not. I'm still going to tell you my honest opinion about it. Okay. Making a red dot for a small carry gun like this is very tricky. The gun is very skinny. Okay, so a normal red dot, even your micro red dots are not going to fit on this gun. It also doesn't have a optic plate, so they had to design the thing to kind of work with just this gun. Okay, a lot of people out on the internet were saying that this gun was shooting left. Well, guess what? You put a green dot on there. Okay, you can correct it yourself. You can move it right or left, however you want to do it. Okay, it's very, very well built. It's aluminum body. It actually has this hook on the back side here to help with, you know, coming loose or recoil, anything like that. It's got that good solid platform. It's made just for this gun, so it's basically molded just for the Bodyguard slide. It does fit on the Bodyguard comp and the regular Bodyguard, if you're wondering that, so that's pretty cool. All right, we're gonna get to shooting this thing a little bit. And out of the box, I will say, I didn't make many adjustments to get it right on point. All right, so go ahead and get into it. Yeah, that thing is dead on, dude. And it makes life a lot easier. If you can present that gun, both eyes open at the target, that green dot shows right up. Both eyes right there, good. Yep. It's great. So I've got probably a few hundred rounds through this green dot now. I had to like train myself to say green dot because everybody always wants to say red dot, but it's green. Everything is green. Green dot versus red dot, I have a whole video on that. I do prefer a red dot. I don't know if they're gonna make it in a red dot.
Viridian only makes green dot.
Green dots for me, they're great. I can see them. My problem is it blends in with everything else that's green and I kind of lose, I also have ADD, so I kind of lose my attention to it. But I see a red dot better. This is very bright. It's got auto brightening to it also, so it is very bright, and no matter where you go, it's always going to adjust to where you are. Low light settings, high light settings, stuff like that. But in the end, it's a very tough optic. You can use it to rack the slide. It's got that on there. It's a great little slide. It's a great little, I almost said red dot again. Green dot, Matt. It's green dot. Okay, let's shoot it again. Right now, we're rocking the holster we're doing today is from G-Code. I did put a alias hook on this because you guys know how much I love the alias system. Right in. Clicks right in, ready to rock and roll. Cool. Let's get some 380 loaded up with my fancy $4 chair here. We're in the process of looking for a sponsor for the channel. So if you're a table company or a chair company, no, anything, ammo company would be great. Get over here. 380 is, I know a lot of people online say 380 is a very low powered round. Listen, 380 is gonna do everything you need it to do, probably and some more, okay? Don't discredit 380. It's got enough power to do most self-defense things, okay? Yeah, I wouldn't go to combat with a 380, but if it's an everyday carry kind of deal, it's gonna do everything you need to. Big target, little target. Really small target. Remember, get that good trigger activation. Don't try to jump the trigger. Don't try to anticipate the trigger. Just slow press, that's all. Really small target. Beautiful. Ah, I don't like when magazine's empty. I wish it was like endless ammo. You know, it's like the video games. Endless ammo kind of deal. All right, so let's go over the sight real quick in general. So it's a very tall sight. It sits very high, which helps you pick up that dot. The only thing I would say different about it is they should have made it just a little bit wider. I know that what they were trying to do, they were trying to get it as slim as the gun, which is cool, but it's a very slim gun. A little bump out would have been nice. Even just a few millimeters on either side would have been great. But overall, you can pick it up fast. It comes right up in person. Like you can see it right as soon as you put the gun up. Hang on. All right, it's better. So presenting the gun, it's right there every single time. Remember, when you're looking for a green or red dot, just keep both eyes open, look at the target, and bring the gun up to the target. You can see it right there. Overall, the construction is great. They did a great job making this nice and beefy, but yet still small. Putting this all together on the gun, it's a 3-part process. It has a plate that goes in where the rear sight is, screws that go down into it, and the actual green dot itself. The battery is on the bottom, not a big deal. There's a lot of red dots that are like that, or green dots that are like that. Overall, I'd say they aced it. This is a great system. I love it, absolutely. And it really changes this gun completely from a like left shooting kind of, I'm guessing where I'm shooting kind of deal, to a almost pinpoint precision gun. Earlier, I was shooting this green dot at 40 yards and just smacking the steel dead on, even the smaller targets. So it's dead on. It's a great little addition to this gun. So if you got a Bodyguard, check out Viridian. They're an awesome company. They're an awesome optic company in general. So check them out. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the range.